Hey y'all, I know it's been a little while. So, it's Chick from Trashy Tactical. I got done with my first semester at SDI. Good news, I made the dean's list. My parents asked me why I couldn't have done that back in high school, been on the honor roll more, but I guess it's because I found my real passion in firearms. So, if you have a passion in firearms and want to get started and get your online gunsmithing degree, I'll put a link in the description below where you can go and sign up at sdi.edu. So anyway, now I'm in semester 2 and I'm starting a new class, and they sent me a box, so we're going to go ahead and get it unboxed and I'll show you what they sent me. Also, my father was nice enough for my gunsmithing business that I'm starting to grab me a few t-shirts, and I'll post some pictures here. So eventually, when we get the website up and running a little bit more, I'll have some merchandise out there for y'all to take a look at. But for now, for this video, let's jump into the unboxing. So the classes that I'm going to be taking this semester, initially right now, is going to be FTT 131, Maintenance and Troubleshooting of Firearms. And in this class, we're just going to basically go over and do walkthroughs of what different malfunctions are and how to diagnose different issues, spent shell casing evidence, looking at a shell casing and to try and figure out, hey, it's overpressure, or there's, an extractor issue or whatever may be going on inside that weapon. And because it is a college, I have to take a core class, and that's going to be Introduction to Physical Science. And I'm not going to go over much in that class in these videos. So let's talk about the 3 things that they sent me for this FTT 131. So the first thing is going to be the Lyman mechanical trigger pull gauge. It reads from 0 to 12 pounds in 2-ounce increments. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty simple. I'll give a little bit more of a review on that maybe during the video when I actually use it. Now the next thing they sent me was a firing pin protrusion gauge. I'll be using this next week in conjunction with the micrometer that they sent me in my assignment for next week's video. And lastly, to go with our project rifle, they sent me 3 snap caps or dummy rounds, whatever you like to call them. And that is it. So, just a couple items that the school sent to me for this class. I didn't have to get anything personally. So, let's go ahead and finish up this video. So, that's it for this week's video. Not a lot going on because I had a week off in school, so I had a little bit of a break from posting stuff. But now that school's back in session, I'll be posting a little bit more. So, as always, remember, rack around and find out. Take care, people.